Manual pickups. There might be occasions when a vendor would like to bid on a tender, but is not able to access iSpec to enter their own submission. On these occasions, a manual pickup can be created. The vendor can then have a hard copy of the tender documents, complete them offline, and the project manager can enter the details on behalf of the vendor. To create a manual pickup, select the Tenders menu, then click the Register Manual Pickup link. From the Registration tab, select a tender from the drop-down list. Only tenders that have been published and already open to vendors are available for selection. Select a vendor and vendor user from the drop-down lists. From the Active tab, enter an action detail, amount if it's known, and a vendor activity. Check the summary information, save, and close the page. Open the tender, and expand the vendor section. The vendor should now be added to the tender, with a green check mark showing under the manual pickup column. For security reasons, the vendor's information cannot be entered while the tender is open to other vendors, so must wait until the tender has been closed. In this example we will close the tender early. After the tender is closed, an Impersonate Vendor icon will appear next to the vendor name in the vendor section. Clicking this icon will impersonate the vendor, the submission details can then be entered, and the bid submitted. The vendor will now be included in negotiations after the bids have been opened.